Welcome back to A Passion for Detailing, my friends. Today we are going to be doing a review on Garage Therapy and all their products. So if you like car detailing, sit back, relax, and let's get at it. Garage Therapy is a UK based company that started in 2019. I was very lucky to have a long conversation with Maz, the owner, and he filled me in with all the information, and the knowledge that that gentleman has is fantastic. So thank you very much, Maz, for telling me about your company. The knowledge and the wisdom that the guys there at Garage Therapy have got are fantastic. The thought that's gone into every single product, from the chemicals, the chemistry, the chemists, all of the other stuff and all the good stuff that make these chemicals, a lot of time and effort has gone into all those products. Doesn't matter if it's a wash product or a protectant product, time and effort has gone into those products, and that's great value to see from a company that take pride in what they're doing. These products aren't just for professionals or pro detailers, they are for enthusiasts, weekend warriors, or even the people that are just getting into detailing and they're on a budget and they want something that's absolutely fantastic value and works phenomenally. Garage Therapy is going to be the product for you. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. The split name Garage Therapy is split into two halves. Reason being is one being garage, so it's typically where a car is kept or where you work on a car, and the second one is therapy, so therapeutic, calming, soothing, take time away from the day-to-day lives and enjoy detailing. I know for myself, when I clean my car, it really does de-stress me. It takes me away from everyday life and gives me time to relax and enjoy the process of cleaning my car. So let's get on and do the products. So the products, I'm going to split them down from the wash to the protectant. So the first one we're going to look at is Garage Therapy Zero DECON Shampoo. This is a versatile product and it can be used in many ways. Not only can you add 50ml to your wash bucket as a strip wash or just a general deep clean, you can also add 65ml for that extra kick if you've got a really decontaminated car. So it's going to remove all that decontamination off the clear coat, ready for clay barring, machine polishing. You can use this product in a foam lance, 50ml to 400ml of warm water in your foam lance is going to give you a thick, creamy foam that we all absolutely love. Not only that, if you leave that to dwell for a few moments, a couple of minutes, please make sure you don't use it in direct sunlight. It's going to really remove all that dirt and all that decontamination, ready for the wash process. What I like about this product is you can dilute it for arches. So if you're trying to do a deep clean of your wheel arches, you can put it in a trigger spray like the CarPro Dilute one. 10 to 1 should be more than enough. You can up it to 5 to 1 if you really need some extra bite. With this product as well, if you have lots of bug guts all over the car, you don't need to buy a dedicated bug remover. This here, as you can see, destroys bugs in a matter of minutes. I was very surprised that this is such a versatile product for the value that this is. This is £18 for a litre bottle, and you are going to get many washes and it's going to do many other jobs other than just a shampoo or a snow foam. It does everything you want it to do. It's going to remove those old waxes and sealants. So if you've got an old wax and sealant, you want to remove that before you apply your next wax or sealant. This is going to be your go-to product for that. And because of the value for money, it is going to help those people that are on a budget that want a universal product that does many other things. So bug guts, decontamination, removal of wax and sealants, great for arches, and you can also use it as a tyre cleaner also. So great value for money that. The next one, still a decontamination stage, is iron oxide. This is a fallout remover with detergents in it as well. This is going to remove all that iron fallout that's built up on your paintwork over time. So you see on a white car, you see little red dots or orange dots all over the car. Well, that's iron fallout that's that's in the atmosphere, that's bonded to your paintwork. You might live near a railway station, or the cars come over on the boat. You see it normally on a lot of brand new cars, and that's going to remove that. It's got lots of surfactants in it, so it's very lubricating. So you simply spray it on the panel, and as you can see, the triggers on these give a great mist or vaporization for the triggers. And you're going to leave that to dwell for 3 or 4 minutes. Please bear in mind, do not use this in direct sunlight, and make sure you're working on a cool panel and in the shade. I would recommend putting some gloves on with both of these chemicals, otherwise it's going to really hurt your hands, and safety is always first. This works out about £15 for 1,000 ml, so a litre bottle. Please remember, all the products will be in the description below, so you guys can just sit back and enjoy the video. The best thing about this is once you've sprayed it on the panel, you've left it to dwell, you can either just rinse it off, or you can get a wet wash mitt and wipe down the whole car after you've washed the car and rinse off, and that is going to leave a squeaky clean finish. It's going to remove all waxes, all sealants, and most of the heavy decontamination that builds up over time on your clear coat. Both products are going to be great for any ceramic coating, so if your hydrophobic properties have gone from your ceramic coating, both iron oxide and zero DECON is going to really help with restoring those hydrophobic properties, because a lot of ceramic coatings after a period of time get clogged up with contaminants and you lose their hydrophobic properties. So use these two products and they're going to help really rejuvenate those hydrophobic properties. What's also great about the iron oxide is you can actually use this as a wheel cleaner. It's strong enough with its surfactants to break down any brake dust and grime, but also because it's got the fallout remover, it's going to remove any of them bonded contaminants or the brake dust that's really dark and black that you get on your alloy wheels, and it's going to do a fantastic job with that. So please bear this in mind if you're looking for an alloy wheel cleaner also. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Let's get on to the next product. So once you've finished washing your car, you have a couple of options. You can either protect it using some sort of sealant, or you can use a drying aid. So Garage Therapy do quick detailer. This is great as a drying aid, and it's very inexpensive, about £17 a bottle. It's going to be as simple as get your good quality drying towel, spray it on the panel, wipe off, and you're done. It's going to give you around 2 to 3 weeks protection. So for any of those maintenance jobs, it's going to be great for that. Alternatively, if you want something that lasts a little bit longer and is a little bit more durable, because I know that you guys all love something that is a little bit more durable, you had Garage Therapy Sigma. This is the version 2 variant. Smells fantastic. This is going to give you up to about 9 weeks protection, depending on the conditions the car is kept in. Is it a daily driver, or keep it in a garage? And this has got SiO2 infused, and the raw materials they've used are fantastic. Not only that, is this product is super slick, like silk. It is so glossy, and the enhancement that it's going to make to your paint is phenomenal. Again, you can use this one as a drying aid as well if you'd like to. Again, small amount goes a long way. Dry it with your drying towel and then buff with a microfiber cloth, and you are left with a super slick finish. Maz did tell me that this product has some great benefits. Not only is it going to give you some great durability, but it's also got gloss enhancers in it as well. So it's also going to make the depth of the colour even darker than normal. So this is, again, great product. This is about £25 for 1,000 ml. So good value for money yet again. What I also like about this Sigma V2 is that you can use this on all surfaces. So not only can you use this on your paintwork, you can use this on your glass, your plastic trim, your wheels, and it's going to leave a great hydrophobic coating. Means that when you do your maintenance washes, it is a lot easier to clean. So I really rate this. I'm very happy with this product, and I would definitely buy it again. So the car's now been cleaned, it's been protected, and now it's time to do a maintenance wash a week or two later. And you have some products for your maintenance washes, so they're a lot less aggressive. The first one is Garage Therapy Wheel Shampoo. This is a pH 8 wheel shampoo. Not only can you use this in your bucket, you can also use this in a IK foamer, for example. I've found that it says to put 10 ml of product to 400 ml of water. I actually found that if you use 20 ml of product in here, it's also going to help really clean those tyres. As you can see here, it removed that dark, horrible browning that's normally left from tyres, and using a dedicated wheel brush that for the tyres, you can see that it's really good at giving them tyres a real deep clean. What I like about this is it's very versatile. You can use it on all alloy wheels, and it's going to be a lot safer on your waxes and the sealants if you've applied something on your wheels. What I also like about this is you can use this in conjunction with iron oxide. So spray iron oxide all over your wheels, let it dwell for a couple of minutes, and then go over with the Garage Therapy wheel shampoo, foam it up, and it's going to be like a raspberry ripple effect. It'll be pink and purples coming out, and then you're ready to give the wheels a good clean. Little tip is, if you are going to be doing it on any gloss black wheels, I would suggest you rinse the wheels off first to get rid of any of that loose brake dust, because you don't want to be scrubbing those gloss black wheels. You're going to prevent scratches, swells and the love marks that you get from the wash process. This is, for a litre of this, 17 quid, so it's going to go a very long way, and it smells fantastic also. So again, another great product and amazing value for money. And we also need to wash the car, and what better to have a pH neutral car shampoo like One Car Shampoo. This is super foamy, super sudsy, and it's going to lubricate the surface in the wash process to prevent the swells, the scratches and the love marks that you get from washing your car. To top it off, you also can obviously put this in a foam lance if you really want to, not that it's necessary, and this is £17 for a bottle. 30 ml, 10 to 30 ml, depending on the wash that you're doing, is more than enough for one car. If that's 10 ml of product and it's a litre, well, you've got over nearly 100 washes for £17, and that is absolutely blinding value for money. So you've washed your car, you've also dried it, it's looking absolutely fantastic. You may have used a drying aid like the Quick Detailer or the Sigma version 2, and the finishing touch, the icing on the cake, is putting on a tyre dressing. This is tyre serum. This is about £20 a bottle for 1 litre. Amazing, again, value for money, and a little goes a long way. It comes with a fantastic little twist knob at the top, so you spill less product, you can put the amount that you need, and it goes a long way. You can apply it to a foam or microfiber applicator, and it's going to be fantastic for that satin finish and that finishing touch. I did find that if you apply it onto a dry tyre compared to a wet tyre, you're going to get a slightly glossier finish. What's great about this product is it's going to not only give you some UV protection, it's also going to nourish the tyres so they prevents them from cracking, but it's also going to repel water and dirt, so when you come to clean the tyres next time round, it's going to be a lot easier, and you're not going to need to scrub really hard to try and remove this. So again, very good product, and it's about £20. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Let's move on to the next product. Last but not least is cleaning your glass. Nothing worse than buying a glass cleaner and it's damaged your tinted windows, or it hasn't really done a very good job. But Garage Therapy One Glass is a fantastic product. Not only is it going to clean the glass, it's also going to leave it a streak-free finish. They also supply a dedicated glass cloth, and this is one of the best I've ever used. I've used the Rag Company's one for a long time now, and this one's got a very short pile, and it's in conjunction with Into Detailing, and as again, you can find all the products in the description at their website. This cloth is very less grabby than some of the others. The way it sits in your hand, if you buy one, again, these are only about £4. Again, amazing value for money. It's a great glass cleaner, and you're going to really enjoy it. It's not expensive and perfect for your maintenance. on all your glass surfaces. They do some accessories, and I just wanted to touch down on a few of those. My favourite one, other than the glass cloth that you've obviously already seen, is this wash mitt. So when you're cleaning your alloy wheels, there's nothing worse than not being able to get into the nooks and crannies. People use detailing brushes. I'm not a big fan of those for wheels, other than lug nuts. Reason being is that you can, if they're gloss black finish, the brushes can damage the clear coat. But these is a luxury microfiber. It sits in your hand perfectly, means that you haven't got to put your rubber glove into a wash mitt, and it's good for getting behind the spokes. It's fantastic. As you can see here, me using it, it's a really handy tool and something I would not go without, and I would recommend this product and this wash mitt to absolutely anyone. It is a game changer for me, I promise you, an absolute game changer. They also supply wash pads and wash mitts. This is their wash pad. I'm more of a fan of the pads than I am the mitts. It's, again, really thick luxury microfiber, so it's going to be really gentle on the surface, and it's going to hold a lot of suds and a lot of foam because there's a sponge inside as well, so it's not limp, and you can see how thick it is. Again, fantastic product, and this is about £8, so again, a bargain. And they also do some microfiber towels. They're about £2.75 from Into Detailing, and they come in some different sizes or different quality. So you've got the really thick one. This is the really thick GSM, and it comes on both sides. So you've got the really thick pile. Let me try and bring that up there so you guys can see it. Really thick microfiber pile, and also you've got a thin pile on the back for removing those waxes and sealants, and they're all absolutely edgeless. So hopefully you can see that there. There's no edge on them, so they've been specially designed, and they're £2.75. That's that one, and they do one that's slightly thinner for removing ceramic coatings and again waxes and sealants. So a much shorter nap on that side, a lot shorter than the previous one, and a slightly thicker one on that side. Again, all edgeless, and £2.75 is great value for money compared to some of the other brands that are out there. Do I buy any of these products again? The answer to that question is absolutely. Go and buy them, go and try them. I've been absolutely blown away with the experience I've had from all these products, and there's so many there that if you're just getting into detailing, do so many other jobs also. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you've never used a car dryer and you want to know how, click here. That is my Blow RS video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.